Just follow my lead. We've done this project, American Pavilion, and you can follow my camera and see one booth, each booth individually. AGROPUR. Yeah, we offer the clean and spotless table and chairs. My customers haven't arrived yet. I mean, this one. EXANDALUS. So the floor is raised. It's around 50 mm. So they have arrived already. My customer took it by himself. It's a TV rack. Lead US Global Group, and they just ordered something when they arrived, so we rented this one for them. And this lady has performed already, so we are going to have an opening ceremony here. Everybody's ready. The staff from U.S. Agricultural Trade Office, Shanghai. This one is the host, I think. ATO. U.S. Agricultural Trade Office. It's an acronym for that. Yeah, we made the backlit ones for them. The logo is real light. It's more captivating, more attractive. This one has a representative office in Suzhou, Blue Pacific flavors. Okay, guys, if your country leads a national pavilion in China, you can directly contact me. We can design and construct your national pavilion in accordance with your requirement. And my colleague is working there. He's been working so hard. Okay, guys, I hope you are enjoying it. We are going to maintain the whole area. If we find there's any junk on the floor, junk or rubbish, we are going to collect it and throw it away. If they need anything on site, we can purchase it for them immediately, which is easy. I mean, we can buy it in the convenience store. So we have to make the whole trade show rolling ahead smoothly and successfully. Okay, guys, I will see you later. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.